welcome back to the channel. It's Britt.
And Bear.
And Bear.
Hold on. Why come out like that? And Bear.
It's Britt.
And Bear.
And today
Goodness.
All right. So today we are taking down our Christmas decorations. Yes. Finally. Has anybody else's Christmas decorations made it to like mid-January?
Probably not. I feel like we're the only ones.
Well, we did. But anyway, so we're going to take down our Christmas decorations today. We figured we would just do like an undecorate with us video. But if this is your first time stumbling upon the channel, my name is Britt. This is Bear. We are high school sweethearts with a little toddler. And we do lifestyle content. So if you guys are interested, we are a full lifestyle channel. Travel vlogs, house cleaning, motivation, vlogs, all the things.
All the above.
Yeah, all of the above. So if you like that kind of stuff, consider subscribing. And if you have been around, thanks for coming back and joining us today. I hope this video gives you a little cleaning motivation because we are back at it, okay?
Yes.
Like, there's a lot to clean in this house. So anyways, we're going to get right to it. We're going to show you guys, we're undecorating downstairs and upstairs. So along in this video, get like a little bit of a tour too, because we'll be all over the house. So if you're interested in all of that, keep on watching. So now we're going to go ahead and I'm grabbing these boxes out of the garage. So I kept the Christmas tree boxes so that I could put them back in, and then eventually I'll get some fancy storage for them, but for now these boxes are still pretty good. And then I'm going to go ahead and put all of these ornaments back in their original packaging as well. So I like to use these storage containers from IKEA, and I just put everything back pretty much where I got it from. So that's what we're going to do.
Don't deny that I could use some company. All my friends say, honey, just let him be. Now your perfume stuck on my shirt, and there's an empty left in my bed. I don't know about you, I'd put you first. I bought some new flowers, they're all dead. First you are in, then you are out, like snow in the spring. I just want your time. I just want your time, oh, time. I need your time. 365, 24/7, I'll be fine, as long as you spend a little time. Just want your time. You make me feel like we could be something more. The way your light shines, there's no shadows anymore. But then you put doubts and doubts and doubts in my mind. Still, you make me feel like we could be something more, something more. First you are in, then you are out, like snow in the spring. I just want your time. I just want your time, oh, time. I need your time. 365, 24/7, I'll be fine, as long as you spend a little time. Oh, spend a little time. I need your time.
All right, so now that we have the Christmas decorations out of the living room, it looks so naked. Like, I don't know, like now I feel like I need to go home decor shopping. But so I'm gonna go ahead and put this table back over here and like style it however I can for right now. And then I think Bear and I might end up going shopping for something to go on either side of this TV, like another tree or something, because now like the TV area just looks so naked. It just all looks so naked. So, Bear's in agreement that we should buy something for this spot right here. So I'm excited. More to come on that, but we're gonna keep it going. We're in a good groove. I'll put this little area back together, and then to the entryway we go.
Vibe is massive. It's supernatural. Keep it factual. You know you're maxing back. Look at the way they hold their chat. Honestly amazing. I want you on occasion. I can do you favors that I know he won't do for you. Yeah, yeah. I know what you want. You got it gorgeous. You bet you're tugging. It's talking me nice. Just ease it up on me. I'm fighting the feeling. I'm keeping it cordial, yeah. I want you closer. You know where you started. You know that I need it. I can see it in your eyes, the way you move is so amazing. You say what I wanna hear. Tell me it's all for me. Just show me you want it. You're ready. You say you're ready for it. You're ready. What are we waiting on? I know it's on your mind. You're ready. You want it for it. You've heard some things people talk like they know the real me. Let me clear the air. I've made my mistakes. I've learned how to behave.
All right, so now that the entryway is cleaned out, we're gonna go ahead and take the garland off the stairs. So what I did for this garland is I actually zip tied it to the stair rail. So we're gonna go through and cut all of the zip ties. 10 out of 10 recommend if you put garland on your stairs, use zip ties. Like, they didn't slip, slide, nothing. There was no drama with our garland this year. And we used battery pack garland. So I just went ahead and did it this way, and it actually had a timer on it as well. So they came on at the exact same time every night. No plugs, no nothing. But, you know, we did have to buy 117,000 batteries. But that's cool. But I do also take all of the batteries out of any like decor pieces that require batteries. We've made the mistake of leaving batteries in for over a year, obviously, because Christmas season, it was only once a year. And we came back to corroded batteries a couple years ago. So always take your batteries out of your battery operated decor. So I'm going to do that to all of the garland that is throughout the house. Put it back on here, and then we're going to cut all these zip ties and get these stairs cleaned off. So quick wardrobe change because
we had to come out some layers.
We got hot, okay? Downstairs, like, it got real, y'all. Like it's hot, okay? It got hot. So I switched over into like a tank top, and then Bear just took off his jacket. So
I got the guns out a little bit.
anyways, so now we're upstairs in the game room, and we decorated upstairs as well. So as you guys told you, so we're getting ready to do a little bit of the undecorating and cleaning because yeah, we need that up here. But we really just decorated a little bit in the hallway right before the stairs, in the media room, and in here in the game room. And yes, we did have a total of 4 Christmas trees this season. Let's see if we go for 6 next season.
An all-time high.
An all-time high. No, but for real though, so we're getting ready to tackle upstairs, take down this tree, put up all the ornaments. We have some more garland to take down, so we're just about to get it. To get it. And we're about to put up these sodas because we did get some groceries delivered in the middle of all of this cleaning. So, you know, duty calls to put that up as well. So,
yeah,
let's get it.
Part 2, let's go.
Christmas tree is gone. Christmas decor is gone.
Yes,
we did it. So the Dysons are on the charger right now. Both of them. Yeah, both of them are on a charge right now. So once those finish charging up, I'm going to come back up here and just do a nice clean vacuum between all of the rooms and the hallways, and then also on the sofa. But until then, we're going to take all of these Christmas decorations down to the garage and start putting those up in the storage. And that is pretty much all we have. So thank you for joining us today as we undecorate the house for the Christmas season. Finally.
It's the most productive day of 2021 for us.
The most productive day of 2021, okay? Like, it's literally the most productive day so far. So, anyways, but we have more cleaning motivation and lifestyle vlogs and all of that coming you guys' way this year. So we're excited.
Absolutely.
We're excited. Yes. But anyways, we will see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys so much for joining us. We hope you have a great rest of your day, night, weekend, whatever it is. And
have a great day.
We'll see you next time.